Inflation is eating your money alive. But can Pag-IBIG MP2 actually protect you and even grow your wealth? Let's find out. Pag-IBIG's MP2 is one of the safest ways you can invest your money, offering guaranteed capital preservation. Even if the fund underperforms, your initial capital remains secure in your MP2 account. But here's the real question. Are MP2 returns strong enough to beat inflation? Inflation is often called the silent killer of wealth. It's the general rise in prices of goods and services over time, which reduces the purchasing power of money. In simple terms, things get more expensive and your peso buys less. This is why I don't let my money just sit in a savings account. If my returns are below the inflation rate, I'm effectively losing money. To see if MP2 beats inflation, let's first look at the historical data. Inflation was at its lowest in 2015 at 1.4% and 2016 at 1.8%. It peaked in 2022 at 5.8% and 2023 at 6%. Here's what this means. A 1,000 peso basket of goods in 2010 would cost 1,635 pesos and 68 cents in 2024. In other words, 1,000 pesos in 2024 is only about 611 pesos and 37 cents in 2010 terms. That's a 38.86% loss in value over 15 years due to inflation. Now let's check how MP2 performed with the same 1,000 peso starting point. From 2011 to 2014, returns were modest, ranging from 4.58% to 4.69%. By 2017, MP2 hit its peak at 8.11%. Since 2016, returns have mostly stayed between 6 and 7.4%, with only dips in 2020-2021 due to the pandemic. From 2022 to 2024, returns stabilized around 7.03 to 7.10%. So how much would your 1,000 pesos have grown? By reinvesting dividends, that 1,000 pesos in 2010 would be worth 2,332 pesos and 18 cents in 2024. Your money more than doubled, clearly outpacing inflation. Now let's see the real value of your MP2 returns after accounting for inflation. From 2010 to 2024, prices grew by 63.57%. The peso lost 38.86% of its purchasing power. Adjusting your 2,332 pesos 18 cents return for inflation gives an equivalent of 1,425 pesos and 82 cents in 2010 terms. That's 42.58% more purchasing power compared to simply holding onto cash. So is MP2 a good hedge against inflation? Yes! MP2 has historically beaten inflation. While inflation eroded the peso's value, MP2 not only protected your money but actually grew its real purchasing power by over 40% in 15 years. In short, inflation eats away at idle money. MP2 grows your savings faster than inflation has historically risen. It's not perfect, but as far as low-risk investments go, it's a solid hedge.